Zellwood Water Damage Restoration. We provide fast, reliable water damage restoration done right in Zellwood, Florida. Washing machine overflow, pipe burst, water heater leak. Unfortunately, water damage disasters do happen in Zellwood, Florida. If you experience water damage in your home, homeowners in Zellwood trust the experts at Orlando Service Pros for immediate response. Our certified technicians can handle all aspects of water damage, sewer damage, and even mold, and our work is guaranteed. We are standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to get your home or business back to normal quickly, safely, and with Orlando Service Pros provides start to finish water damage restoration services in Zellwood and all surrounding Central Florida areas. Hopefully, you'll never need us. But if a disaster does strike, remember to call Orlando Service Pros at 407-630-9690, or you can visit our website at orlandoservicepros.com. We provide fast, reliable water damage restoration done right in Zellwood, Florida.